Hi, welcome to the Sustainable Leader blog. So blogs have been around for a while, but a lot of us haven't actually done it before. We haven't posted a blog. So this tutorial is going to show you generally how to do that. So after you've registered, so over here, clicking this button, after you've registered, you'll create a login, a username, and a password. You can do it that way, or you can actually make it easier on yourself and just go right here to either use the Facebook connection or Google Plus or LinkedIn. I personally use the Facebook connection, it makes it easier for me. But if you want to just basically log in just for the website and you don't want to be fully connected, that's fine too. So after you've registered, go on and log in. So once you've logged in, you'll notice that, like I said before, I don't have any picture here, and there's no bio data for me. So you can actually go up here to the dashboard, and then go to Profile, click on that. And once you're in the Profile section, you can go on and fill out your full name, maybe update your email address, fill out your bio data, maybe make sure you have a good password that you can remember. And you can also link your other accounts here as well if you'd like. You can also put your accounts here like Google Plus, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, a variety of others. And then just go on and update that profile. After you've done that, you can go on and start posting things. So if you go right to the top, this can be done either in the dashboard or not on the dashboard, just on the regular website. You go up here to the top and you'll see Post, Add plus New, Post, Media, Event, or Slider. Now don't worry about the slider too much, but focus on the post and the event. If you want to go on and post or make a new post, that's a new article that you want to create. Just go on and click on that. Okay, so this is where you'll spend most of your time actually making a new article. First thing you want to do is put a new title into your article, and you want this to be something snappy. So I'll put that in there. And the next thing you do is just go on and add in your article in there, what you want to type. And then click on a category or two. So this is maybe business, and it also has some environmental aspects as well. And don't forget to add tags. You want to add tags like sustainability. Maybe separate it by a comma, maybe and maybe some wind power. You can add those, and you can also choose from old ones. And by old ones, I mean ones that people have already used before. So you maybe want to click Just for Fun and GLSD. The next thing you want to do is you want to add a picture, perhaps. There's actually two different ways of adding pictures and a couple different types of pictures. One of the first things you should do is you should always have a featured image. This is something that's going to show up on the main page as the image that goes with the actual article. And that'll look something like this, or this, or this. And it'll also follow along the slider here. So you want to make it look a very nice picture. Maybe one you've taken. You can also find one on the internet if you'd like to do that. So now to do this, there's two different ways. Like I said, you have Add Media up here and Featured Image. I'd go on to start and set up the featured image. So you just go here, you go to Upload Files, and then you just go on to drag a file in here or select the file and pull it from your desktop. I've added a picture of some windmills, and you'll see it over here in the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, so next let's add a picture inside of the actual document. To do that, you just go up here to the top left, click Add Media, and you can upload a file, or you can pick one that's already been loaded up on the website. In the same process, just go and select a file from your desktop or just drag and drop it in there. And I added a picture of a dog here. Now after you've done that, you can do a few things. You can just save the draft and keep it for later. You can preview your post just to make sure it looks nice. So here's the one we just made. So this is the feature photo. And this is our document. Now we can move that picture. The picture is out of line, so we can move that around in this as well to make it look a little bit nicer. This is what it's going to look like, and you're going to have your profile underneath it as well, your bio data. So that, again, you want to make sure that's up to date. That way, people who know who you are. But let's say we've got everything touched up, and we've already previewed it. Make sure it looks nice. And you can do now. You can go on and publish it directly and immediately publish it, or you can publish it maybe at a different time. So maybe you want to pick tomorrow. You don't want to do it today. So we can just go on and change that to tomorrow. You can click OK, and then it'll post tomorrow at 10:41 a.m. or whatever time you set here. So you can go and preview that. And that's pretty much how to post things. But posting is not the only thing you can do. You can also post an event. So if you go up here to plus new, you can post a new event to our events calendar. Yep, I'll leave that page. And that'll bring up the events calendar form page. So you can go and click new event, maybe a new party or something like that, all day, set the time or the date. You can also put the event location details, where it is. You show a Google map. I'm just going to say Hawaii Pacific. Or better yet, let's just do Fort Street. There we go. Map over here. You put how much it costs, and of course your information, who's the organizer, and do the same thing you would do by posting things down here. And then just publish it. And once you've done that, it'll pop up in here. You can also actually, if you go back to the add new event, you can actually add a picture here as well. And then when you post it, it'll pop up with a picture here on the poster board view. That'll probably get more people to actually come to your event. So yeah, so now you've learned how to post a article. You've learned how to post an event. And I'll let you figure this one out on your own. It's pretty simple. Same basic idea of doing a job manager. So if you have a new internship you'd like to share, or a job or something like that, then just go there and add a new job. Same process as the other two. Okay, and if you ever have any questions, let me know. Okay, have a good day. Enjoy. And don't forget, this is easy. You can do this. Just register and get going. See you guys around.